What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. Well, I did a thing. I ordered a pound of worms from Northeast Worms. So they're red wigglers. I'm going to get another bin together right now, and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. So I just picked this tub up. It's 27 gallons. It's a little bigger than what I wanted. I actually wanted to get a 17 gallon, but they were all out. And I know the worms are coming within the next day or two, so I wanted to make sure that I had something to put them in. So what I'm going to do is just drill some holes on the top and drill holes on the sides. This time I'm going to leave the bottom fully intact, not like the first one I did. So we'll see if that kind of helps. I've had a few escaping from the bottom, so, and then unfortunately if they don't get back into it, they end up shriveling up and dying. I have a 3/16 drill bit. So, like I was saying, I had holes drilled on the bottom before, so I'm going to leave that all intact this time and keep these holes pretty close to the top. Okay, so I got all the holes drilled on the new bin, 27 gallons, which is about double the size of the bin that I have right now. I believe the other one's 14 gallons. I'm going to add some shredded cardboard, newspaper, paper, and a little peat moss to this. I have to clean up all this plastic first, so I'll probably show you that tomorrow, and then hopefully within the next couple days I'll have the worms and do a quick video when I put them in. Okay. I have some newspaper and some cardboard already shredded. Add into this some peat moss. One more handful. Then I'm going to incorporate it real quick. Add just a little bit more. The worms are supposed to arrive very soon. And to help introduce a little bacteria, I got some compost from the compost bin, and I even put a little sand in the bottom of the container for some grit. So yeah, so this should help to start kick off the microbes in here. So then when I introduce the worms, we're good to go. Trying to incorporate a little bit on everything so it starts kind of working in. And that peat moss was wet, as I'm pretty sure you could tell by the color it was. So that helped to moisten up the paper. So the next time you guys see it, I'll have the worms.